Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today and we're going to be using the 5 compartment split cup. Colors, I've got cadmium yellow light hue, cadmium red deep hue, deep violet, I always tend to call it deep purple but it's deep violet, cerulean blue hue, and light green permanent, so some very bright colors. So I'm going to get those into the split cup and then I will bring you back. And there we go, we are all done. So I went yellow, red, purple, blue, green, same way I had it around. We got a 12-inch round and I've got just over 400 grams of paint, anywhere from 75 to about 90 grams per color. So you can see it's not filled all the way, very hard to figure out the proper amount, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna do a ring pour and hopefully this will turn out really nice. Come all the pretty colors. I'm gonna slowly move the canvas as I'm pouring. You can see my rings are a little wobbly, but I kind of want that effect, so. I want this to be a bright painting. Sorry, I got the sniffles. So all my paint is Liquitex paint. It's 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. Just getting around to the outside here. So I've got lots of paint left. We'll try and fill up the outside. So I'm going counterclockwise. Yeah, so I was talking about my mixture. So 1 part paint, 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 70% PVA glue to 30% water. I'm not worried about how the outside is looking, like it is getting really messy, and that is fine because most of this is going to get spun off. It's just to get the paint wet. And my arm is getting tired. I'm just trying to fill up. The rest of this top part here, the top of the camera angle for you, it's the bottom for me. Okay. Look at a decent amount of paint left, but I've got more than enough paint on here. So I'm not going to worry about that too much, just cleaning the tip of my cup. Okay, I'm going to spin clockwise and hopefully we'll get something fun out of this. But I'm going to give it a torch first because I can see a couple bubbles. There we go. Okay, let's spin this out, see what we get. It's very yellow. Very, very yellow. See, more than enough paint. I'm almost all the way over, and that was one spin. I want to get some of the messy stuff off, so we're gonna keep spinning. It's kind of reminding me of a peacock. I didn't want to say it at first, but I was trying to recreate my Tree of Life painting, and I've kind of done it. Get some more bubbles popped. There is one right there. Yeah, I still didn't get it. That one just wants to stick around. Now this is looking, again, more peacocky in the center and almost flame-like. But I can't believe how dominant that yellow. The yellow was the least amount of color that I had at 75 grams. So I'm really surprised about that. Okay, I need a few more spins. A good spin. It's hard because I got to hold on to the bottom of the cake spinner to get it spun out. Yeah, I want a bit more there kind of to come off. I'm not sure how much more will come off. I'd prefer it to come out to about there. It was definitely bright. I was going for bright, so. But I knew these colors would be bright colors. I got a bit more off. It's really cool looking though. Let's give it one or two more spins. Still a bit of paint spinning off. Give it one more spin. Spaint is not a word. Give it one more spin. And we'll see what we got. One more after that. That was a weak spin. Yeah, a little bit more can come off there, and then I think I'll be happy. Okay, so it doesn't look like a tree, but it kind of has that similar look to my Tree of Life painting. So there, I'll stop it like that. So what do you think? We got bright. The yellow has toned down a bit. That green's kind of popping through a bit more. So yeah, it really, this one looks more like fire than the other one did. But I had no yellow in the Tree of Life. I had orange instead of yellow, and then I also had a yellow green. So again, and the red and blue and stuff were different. I think I had the same color of deep violet. But I think that turned out pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.